Okay, we're gonna just do a real quick install video of how to use our new Caliso 992 RAM mount for mounting your Garmin Catalyst or any other device you might be trying to install on your 992. You get these two pieces that are carbon fiber reinforced plastic and includes a black bolt. You just stick the bolt through here until it's recessed like that and captured. Then you slide the bolt under your vents. Careful not to scratch anything. Get the orientation right there. You'll know when it's right because it's all contoured for all the angles that you have on the car here. Then you got this side, which you just feed through here, and then that goes in nice and flush. You push it down, and then you get your wing nut. And you screw that on. You don't need to crank this down tight, just very, very little pressure, and that is super rigid. And we retain glove box access. You can use the pieces that came with your Catalyst to mount to this ball mount. I find this 150 millimeter piece to work really well for where I want to have it positioned, but you can get there with what's included with the Catalyst. Make sure when you're putting it on, you do the wing nut opposite the glove box so that the glove box still works. Got that mounted. Take your Catalyst, goes right there, and then I'm just going to position it exactly where I want it before I crank down on that mount. That looks good right there. And then we just ran power to the 12 volt that's down there under the dash, and that's it.